Now to a coronavirus update. Today, 2/3 of Hidalgo County's COVID-19 report made up of people under 30 testing positive for the virus.
Channel 5's Monica de Anda spoke with the county's top medical authority about this latest COVID report.
In the last 7 COVID-19 reports from Hidalgo County, at least half of all positive cases have been people under 30. Hidalgo County Health Authority Dr. Ivan Melendez says 2 factors are playing a role in these numbers ticking up. One is vaccines.
Most of the younger people have not been eligible for vaccination or have chosen not to do so, as opposed to the older population.
Vaccine eligibility for Texans over 18 opened up on March 29th. And as more people get their COVID shot, Melendez believes these numbers will decrease. Also playing a role is testing.
At different times of the cycle, you have different people testing. And so when the pandemic is very active, you see everybody testing. When the pandemic was very low, you started seeing just contact of those people that got sick.
Melendez says fewer elderly people are getting tested, likely because a large number of people over 65 are vaccinated. In Hidalgo County, 71% of that population group has received at least 1 dose, with almost 53% fully vaccinated. But less than 30% of people over 16 in Hidalgo County are fully vaccinated. So he's expecting cases among those under 30 to start dropping in the months ahead.
Not only because of the vaccination will be available to them, as you mentioned, but also because just in general, the virus will be less active in the community. And thus, by approximation, the young people who are out and about will also, fewer of them will test positive.
But as infections decrease, there are other factors we need to keep in mind.
Do we believe things will continue to improve? Absolutely. What are the rate limiting factors? 1, mutations and strains that don't respond to the vaccines. And of course, 2, the unknown amount of time that immunity will last.
Melendez believes those factors will determine the number of cases yet to come. Monica de Anda, Channel 5 News at 6.